Good evening. This is a video update from Discover Real Estate. Tonight we're on the beach in front of El Timon and they have a fire. You can see the boats out in the water, some people. I love my life. Come join me.